Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter one-time boot menu on your HP Pavilion 16. First of all, power your device off completely, and while it's turned off you're gonna have to short press the power button right here, and after pressing the power button start repeatedly pressing F9 button until you see the notification in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will indicate that your device is entering the boot menu. Here you can navigate using up and down arrow keys. Enter to confirm, escape to exit, F10 to enter BIOS menu. Right now I only have the Windows option to enter my system and EFI file, which I don't have. So let me just select Windows, and this will boot me into Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.